Welcome back to our Destination Dreams channel. Today, we have an exciting episode for all the frequent travelers and travel enthusiasts out there. We are sharing some super useful airport hacks that will make your flight a breeze. So grab your pen and paper, because you won't want to miss these tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join us. Number 1. Online check-in. Save your precious time by checking in online before you even get to the airport. This way, you can skip the long check-in lines and head straight to security. Number 2. Light package. Travel with a carry-on bag whenever possible. It not only saves you money on baggage fees, but also eliminates the risk of lost baggage. Number 3. Slip-on shoes are your best friend. Wear flats or choose slip-ons to speed up the security check process. You will thank me later. Number 4. Bring an empty water bottle. Instead of buying expensive airport water, carry an empty bottle through security and fill it up at a water fountain or refill station. Always stay hydrated. Number 5. Download airline apps. Install the apps of the airlines you fly with to receive real-time updates, access your boarding passes, and have all the information you need at your fingertips. Number 6. Don't forget your portable charger. Keep a portable charger handy to ensure your electronic devices don't run out of battery during extended layovers or delays. Number 7. Pack a travel-sized toiletry kit. Save space and adhere to airline liquid restrictions by carrying travel-sized toiletries in a clear zip-top bag. It's a game changer. Number 8. Take advantage of priority safety lanes. If you qualify for priority lanes, such as frequent flyers or TSA pre-check members, use them to streamline security in no time. Number 9. Search for airport lounges. Look at the airport lounges available at the airport of departure. Some offer day passes or affiliate credit card operations that provide access. Pamper yourself in a quiet, relaxing setting with amenities such as Wi-Fi, food, and beverages. Number 10. Learn about your airport layout. Learn about the airport's layout and facilities in advance. Knowing the location of gates, restrooms, and dining options will help you navigate efficiently and save time. Number 11. Carry snacks. Pack some non-perishable snacks like granola bars, nuts, or dried fruit to avoid paying high prices for airport food. Number 12. Take a picture of where your car is parked. If you park at the airport, take a picture of your parking location to avoid any confusion or forgetfulness when you return. Number 13. Choose late-night flights. During these flights, there are usually fewer passengers and fewer individuals with children. We've all been in situations where babies cry or cause fussiness that makes us uncomfortable during flights. By opting for late-night flights, you can reduce these inconveniences as fewer passengers travel, resulting in less wait times at the check-in counter. Number 14. Plan your seating in advance. When you visit the airline's website, you'll find a seating map. While there may be an additional cost associated with pre-booking seats, it is recommended if you have certain preferences or require special seating arrangements. Seats close to emergency exits provide more legroom, as do the front or back seats of an aircraft. If waiting in long restroom lines is a bother, it's worth noting that the back of the plane has a continuous queue. Number 15. Prepare to face jet lag before your trip. Depending on your destination, you may experience a time zone difference. Jet lag is a common challenge for many travelers, especially when crossing multiple time zones. To mitigate its effects, it is wise to plan ahead. Check the local time for your destination and try to adjust your schedule accordingly before you leave. Arriving in a different time zone with little sleep can be a stressful experience, so being prepared ahead of time will help you get through challenges more smoothly. We hope you took notes because these airport hacks are definitely worth remembering. But wait, there's more. Be sure to follow our channel as we will share more amazing tips to improve your travel experience. That's it for today, folks. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future travel hacks. Safe travels, and we'll see you at